On this episode, we're discussing how artificial intelligence can make someone a GMO. And we'll get to what a GMO is in a second. Well, now, the title of this is AI to Brain Interface. We know interface is just another word in this case for technology or computer. So artificial intelligence to brain computer technology. And how does someone become a GMO, a genetically modified organism with technology? And this is how this happens. So what happens is when this technology is injected into the person, it changes the pattern of DNA to match the pattern of the quantum computer. And what I mean by quantum computer is it's a supercomputer. It has the power of over basically 8 billion people. So it has the power of 8 billion minds. Just think about it like that. That's what a quantum computer is. A super smart, intelligent computer. Now, with that being said, so the pattern within the spin of the electrons within the DNA matches the electron spin of the computer or system. Okay, so to better understand this, basically what's happening is your DNA has an electron spin, basically energy, and this computer has an electron spin. When the DNA matches the computer, when this occurs, it's what's known as quantum entanglement. And this is the electron spin match with the AI to the brain. This is what's happening. You can look quantum entanglement up. There's a man that has a good book about this. This is where I'm basing this information. I'm not going to mention his name, but just know quantum entanglement is what that has to do with. So now, computer to brain interface is a form of communication that takes place between those who are entangled with this technology. So basically, computer to brain interface is a form of communication that takes place between those who are entangled with this technology. So basically, the computer in the human brain is a form of communication with that person. So they're no longer a person, because what happens with this, it literally changes your DNA, and all humans have 2 strands of DNA. So what happens when you have this technology injected into you, you have now 3 strands. So you are now a GMO, a genetically modified organism, and this is one way someone can become a GMO. And it's called quantum entangled. When someone becomes quantum entangled with artificial intelligence, their brain basically has an interface in it, and that interface is technology, and that's the form of communication that takes place with those people who become GMOs in this fashion.